Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neha Taneja, a mentor and guide for PSN but a public health specialist by profession. So today I've come up with a very short video. I'm just going to give you some of the latest recommendations, 5 important recommendations which have been made by our government, all right, with regards to COVID-19 vaccinations. Yes, that's absolutely correct. So as you all know that we are fighting this time of COVID and we all have to come out of it successfully, and one of the best ways is vaccination. So there is a National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization which made a few important recommendations, and these recommendations have been accepted by NITI Aayog as well as by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So the first recommendation, everyone, is that now the gap between 2 doses of Covishield has increased from 6 to 8 weeks to 12 to 16 weeks. Yes, the gap between 2 doses of Covishield vaccine has been increased from 6 to 8 weeks to 12 to 18 weeks now. No such recommendation has been made for Covaxin. It remains still a gap of 4 to 6 weeks between 2 doses of Covaxin. But Covishield, it has been increased from 6 to 8 weeks to 12 to 16 weeks. Secondly, the recommendation that they have passed is pregnant women are cleared to take any of the vaccines approved for use in India's vaccination drive. That means they can take Covishield or Covaxin, but before taking they must consult their doctors once. Also, all lactating women are eligible to receive the vaccine at any time after delivery. The fourth important recommendation which has come is that COVID-19 patients who had received antiviral monoclonal antibodies or convalescent plasma should defer vaccination for 3 months from the day of hospital discharge. Yes, if you've received plasma or monoclonal antibodies for your treatment, you have to defer vaccination for 3 months from the day of hospital discharge. And one of the most important ones, guys, those who've tested positive for COVID-19 should defer the vaccination to 6 months after recovery. Once you recover, you can take your vaccine 6 months later, that from the time of your recovery. These are 5 most important recommendations. Now the important thing is that the first recommendation that they have made, the gap between 2 doses of Covishield has been increased. Now that is being looked upon by all the public health specialists from different ways. All right, now the same thing was done by, I have some data for you, the same thing was done by Spain in late April for vaccine recipients less than 60 years. The gap is in, although the gap has been recommended is slightly more than what has been set by European medicine, all right, but these are in accordance with certain results that have been published in the Lancet journal. So there was a study which was conducted, 4 clinical trials was conducted involving 17,177 participants across Brazil, South Africa and UK, and there in those Lancet articles it has been mentioned that it is the dose interval and not the dosing level. I quote, they have mentioned it as the dose interval and not the dosing level which has greatest impact on efficacy of the vaccine. Greater efficacy with longer intervals has also been used with other vaccines such as influenza and Ebola, and vaccine efficacy has reached 82.4% after a second dose in those with a dosing interval of 12 weeks or more. But in those which received the second dose less than 6 weeks, efficacy was only 54.9%. So now it could be looked at different ways. Of course, it's improving efficacy if we go with the journal. And on the other hand, in a country like India, which is now fighting to, fight this time of COVID, it gives us time to procure more vaccines. Okay, India, when started its vaccination drive in January 2021, it wanted to vaccinate 300 million people between February and July 2021. But as of now, till May 12th, only 10.1% of Indians have been vaccinated with first dose, and both the doses only 2.8%. So we really need to gear up. So you can look at it in different manners, okay, that maybe the dose has been increased to gather more time, but then trials have shown that efficacy is being increased. So these are some of the latest recommendations which I thought I'll share with all of you. So if you have any other doubt, you can put in the comment section below, and also get yourself vaccinated, guys. That is the only way we can fight this pandemic right now, and hope all of us come out of this soon. Thank you so much for watching a very small video which will help answer a lot of questions. Any doubts, put in the question section. Thank you so much for watching.